aren't many things that benefit our lives more than seeds. A lot more things begin as seeds than you'd think.
Most of the food we eat comes from plants, or animals that eat plants. Starting with seeds. Our cotton clothes begin as cotton seeds. Many of our medicines come from plants. About 8 out of 10 drugs used to treat infection, cardiovascular disease, or cancers come from plants.
Many kinds of soaps, shampoos, cosmetics, perfumes, the list is endless, all originating from seeds. Even the ethanol in your car's fuel comes from plants that start with seeds. Science has advanced plant breeding tremendously, allowing today's farmers to plant more resilient seeds so that the crops grow in a wider variety of temperatures and environments,
using less pesticide inputs and herbicides and reducing production costs and food waste. Today, the latest plant breeding advancements, like gene editing using CRISPR, allow plant scientists to make highly targeted changes to the DNA of a plant.
Basically, what we're doing is going into the DNA code, the sequence of the plants, and making very minor changes to the letters of the words in the DNA code. So the idea here is that these are changes that are not drastic. It's simply working with the plant's own genome and making a small change. We're doing what it could normally do. We're on the cusp of seeing incredible breakthroughs using CRISPR genome editing methods to cure debilitating diseases in humans and animals. And we have the potential to do the same thing and more with plants.
Gene editing is one of the most recent breakthroughs in a continuum of plant breeding innovations that's used to develop better crops. It allows plant scientists to make targeted improvements to the DNA. For example, it can be used to boost the natural ability of a plant to fight diseases. It can make plants stronger, it can improve nutrition, and it can also improve flavor. So gene editing, such as CRISPR and GMO technology, are two tools that plant breeders use for crop improvement. Unlike GMO technology, gene editing allows us to change the DNA right within a plant. So gene editing is different from GMO technology because we can work with the plant's DNA, and we don't have to introduce new DNA into the final product.
Improved seeds, thanks to modern plant breeding, allow for more sustainable outcomes. Today's farmers can grow more using less, including less land, less water, and less pesticides. New and evolving tools like gene editing will allow farmers to become even more effective and successful.
Each year, 3 billion pounds of potatoes rot instead of being eaten. Through gene editing, scientists could have the ability to make small changes to a potato's genetic code, making them more resistant to bruising and browning. The result? Potato waste could be cut almost in half.
Understanding the genetics of a plant helps us understand the threats attacking plants every day. Today, we are using modern plant breeding methods to breed built-in drought tolerance and disease resistance to address changing climate impacts and evolving pest pressures.
Modern plant breeding is developing breakthrough solutions, helping farmers grow food more efficiently using less water, fewer inputs, and reducing waste.
Creating a more sustainable future for us all.
And for our planet.